Hi, my name is Heidi Sparks. This is a public service announcement on the negative effects of burping. You may have noticed my voice does not sound like a 10-year-old girl should. This is a product of my habitual burping. Yes, at first it was fun to make people laugh, but soon things took a turn for the worst. I couldn't stop burping. I lost control. None of my friends liked burpers anymore. Next, my voice started to change. Slowly but surely it grew deeper and deeper. Happily, my burps did die down. So I warn you against reckless burping, otherwise you may wind up losing your beautiful voice. Brought to you by www.burponlywhenyouhavето.com.